Hello, good day everyone. Zhanjiang Weida machine JC again. Today, let us see the TSR10 line equipment in Ghana. Here is the bucket elevator to slack cutter. Slack cutter breaks the rubber material smaller. Vibration screen removes the solid and sand out before water pour. So the water pour is less solid and sand, less dirty of the rubber material. Now rubber material goes to the single helix breaking, crushing, cleaning machine. See, the rubber material now is no angle after kneading. It is good for the creeper process step, not only smaller pieces, but also cleaner and good for drying. Special not easy to get the white spot. The rubber granulates are ready to the dryer oven. Here is after the dryer oven. We call the dry rubber. Use the electrical scale, get the 35 kg dry rubber, and then press into a standard TSR10 rubber bell. Put it into a filled bag, then put it on a pallet and waiting for the shipment. That is all. Thank you for your watching and interested in Zhanjiang Weida machinery. Contact the professional one if need.